Now, the 2021 Ford Bronco soft top will not include wiring for rear electronics. What a bummer. Now, the 2021 Ford Bronco has dominated the news cycle since it was last revealed in the summer. But in recent days, it's been all about the SUV top option. First, Ford announced that it was making the previously optional $495 sound deadening headliner standard equipment on the molded in color hardtop. Then the automaker said that the painted modular hardtop was being delayed to the 2022 model year. Now we have some news to share regarding the Bronco soft top too. Now, Ford Bronco models equipped with the soft top only, not the dual top option that includes both the soft top and the hard top, which has also been delayed for the 2022 model year. It will not get the wiring to power the wipers, the rear defroster, and the plumbing for the rear washer. This may or may not be important to some, depending on how much they care about these particular features. Now, if a customer selects the dual top option, the vehicle will come with the wiring and the plumbing. They will also receive their Bronco soft top in a removable carrier that will be shipped inside the vehicle, which doubles as a compact and convenient method of storing the top when it's not being used. As it recently reported, the 2021 Bronco was designed with modularity in mind from the beginning, so removing any of these tops is an easy task. Now, unfortunately, those wanting the 2021 Bronco will be limited to the soft top and the molded in color hard top, but we don't know yet when a fastback soft top, which was recently spotted in a while, will be available. And that's what we see here by Bronco Nation. Now, tops have served as a major thorn in the side of Ford in the recent months. Now, aside from the fact that paint and hardtop have been delayed to the 2022 model year, it was also reported that the Bronco deliveries were delayed from the spring of 2021 to the summer, based upon these tops. This is Automotive Reviews, and this is just to let you know that the 2021 Ford Bronco soft top will not include wiring for the rear electronics. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.